Hey booze, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it is going to be this makeup look here. If you're interested, keep watching. For one, I appreciate the feedback that I'm getting on my makeup tutorials. I see that you guys truly enjoy them and miss them. I love that. I also try to listen and try to compromise, I guess. As you see today, sis, look, we got some colors going. And when do NeneTanae ever do that? I don't know. I woke up this morning and I was like, let's just get them what they want, you know. Let's just do it. So let's talk really quickly. I don't want this intro to be too long. I came out this Morphe palette too. Okay, this is the 35B palette. You guys know I've had this palette for years. I literally came out of, y'all looking? I have this, and this, y'all. So those were the colors I came out in this palette for this eye look. And then everything else, I was just like, I'm going to wing it. To be honest, I truly enjoy it now. Like, I think it's a very beautiful look. I went with my inner tear duct color, which I did not show you guys because I felt like this eye look was incomplete. I was like, I need something like something else. So I went and y'all see this like light bright green here. I went here and added that, and then I went back into the lid color and kind of used that to blend it out some. And that's how I got the inner tear duct, and I think it's lit. Also, as y'all see, your girl is rocking one of her wigs. Have you placed your order, sis? I just want to know. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. I'm going to have all details down below, especially my lips. Always check the description box. You're going to find what you need there. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. My jacket, if anybody wants to know, is Fashion Over Curve. This is in a size 3X. It's like the off-the-shoulder little olive green. That's it, okay, guys? So I'm talking too long. Go ahead and watch the video. I'm NeneTanae to all my new subbies. Hey, boos. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all. Mwah. Okay, guys, so let's get into this skin. I have a tutorial coming for you guys soon, but let's talk about what I do. I spray the Mario Badescu stuff on my face, and now this is the Hangover FX, and this is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. So I'm using the Hangover FX just to put on my skin as a primer. I really like it. It's nothing wrong with it. This is what I love here. I like Urban Decay regular primer potion, but Eden is the same formula, but it comes nude. So that means I don't have to use concealer just to fix the discoloration on my lids and brighten it. I simply got this. All you see me doing is patting it with powder. Now my lids are like a light, bright, solid base color. And now I'm able to go in with all the colors I want to use. So that's what I like Eden for. I'm just going in with a soft brown transition shade. Honestly, find this brown in any of your palettes. It's gonna be like a tannish brown, and then I'm just going to blend that out. Now I'm going to go into the crease with like a deeper brown. Again, you're gonna find this color or any deep brown in one of your palettes, and I'm really going to like make this apparent. So I really wanted to stack it up on the outer ends and then like blend it in all the way over. I really like how this brown was showing up too. I'm like, ooh, you lit. But I'm gonna need this brown for one of the steps in this tutorial. So I'm just going to take black and place it there. Like literally that's it. I need that black later, but I'm going to place it there. And then what I'm going to do is take that brown that I went harsh in with and blend it out with this black. So I'm not adding any more black. I really just want to move this black around, and if I blend it in with that brown and this black, it's going to lessen the black, kind of drag that black float forward, but it's only dragging a little bit, and I only needed a little black for this look. I didn't want it to be too harsh. Now y'all see how that blended very smoothly. It looked smoothly. It looks so good. So this part I'm just carving out my crease, and I'm not doing like a real apparent one. It's a small crease. This is just my NeneTanae eyeshadow primer base, and now we're gonna go ahead and set this with my Fit Me powder or whatever. You always want to set it so it doesn't crease, and we're just gonna go into our lid colors. So this is a light green, and when I first started applying it, I'm like, damn, this color is like applying like real thin, but I just had to build on that color. So on my lids, I think I have 3 colors on my lids. So I'm just going to start doing this gradient thing. So as you see, I'm packing on that first green, and that is a very pretty color. Like, I thought that was cute. So then I'm going to go in like a darker green. And I'm going to pack this green on following that and kind of mesh those two together, but I really want you to see the difference of the greens there. Like, this is like a semi-dark green, and then I'm packing on another darker green. Like, can you see that color popping up right there? It was just looking pretty. And then I was like, I need something to bring this together. So, oh, here's the dark green right here. I'm sorry, I was a little too far. That is the darkest green that I'm packing on right there. Now, there we go. My bad, y'all. So then I was like, I need something to bring this together because that's just blah. So I was like, let's get blue. You know, green and blue mesh really well. So I took a blue, and I'm going to build it up on the inner corners. Like, as you see, like, I'm picking my brush up and, like, pushing it back. Like, I'm trying to be smart with this blue here because I didn't want the blue to overshadow the green because, again, I was feeling green. Like, I wanted green, but I needed to bring all of these colors in without using black. And I felt like blue was the perfect, you know, color choice. The eyes are just beautiful. Do you see how these colors just like meshing well? And all you see me doing is just blending. I'm still packing that blue on. I'm gonna go back and reapply that dark green because I didn't want it to get washed away. And look, them eyes are beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal under my eyes. Y'all know this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. After I concealed, I went on with my foundation. Y'all know it's the, you know, Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me. And then I'm going to go into highlighting. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. This is a really light, bright color. Like, it really is. But I think I'm going to kind of like tone it down some. My makeup comes out beautiful, but it's just like super bright. I don't need nothing that damn bright. So I'm blending it out or whatever. I like the way these blend, but these color ranges, Jesus. So I'm just going to use my foundation brush like I told you guys and just blend that out some more. And as you see, when I use that brush, it just gives it a smooth finish and it lessens down the brightness. This is the first black opal powder. Then I'm going to go in with the Sasha Cosmetic. I do the black opal just to kind of tone that light color down, and then I put the Sasha back on top of it just to make everything like pop, if that makes sense. I never use the Sasha by itself with the light concealer because it'll just be evident that it's super light. I went into contouring. Y'all already know this is from just an eyeshadow from the palette. Okay, so this step is very important. I'm just about to brush all of the stuff off my face, and you're gonna see a difference. You see that? Like, when you brush that powder off your face, it's really apparent and it just looks neat. So make sure you're really brushing that under eye powder off. And then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and set my face with my face powder. Y'all know for blush, this is Toasted Almond by Black Radiance. Guys, this is like my number one. This is my baby. Everyday blush. It just really just adds the pop of color to my canvas. Like, I really love this blush. For highlight, it's going to be the Revolution highlight in the color Rock On World. Now, I'm just going to show y'all how these cheeks is popping. This highlight, any highlight you really can build on. But this one, watch when I flip that brush, sis. Oh, my Jesus. Girl. That highlight is everything. Y'all already know your bitch gotta go to the forehead, okay? And I only gave y'all a short little segment of that. Just something short. I'm ending it. There you go. Bam. So this gel liner is an LA Glide gel liner. I forgot the name of it, but it was blue and I loved it. This color is called what? And then I went in with the black gel liner, y'all. Check the description box for this color because it is so pretty. That blue was just bringing everything together, y'all. I still can't come up with the color though. Oh, it's called Gypsy Teal. And then I went in with the black LA Girl Glide, and I only put that on the outer. I didn't bring it all the way over. And I forgot to show you guys me applying the green to my inner tear duct. I'm sorry, I just was moving too fast. For my lips, I didn't know how this combo was going to work. So I started out with Kat Von D in the color Witches. And I outlined in that. I'm always nervous when I use black, but this came together very pretty. And then the next color is going to be Colurpop, and this is Dr. M. And I'm just meshing my lips together before it dries, just so that it can blend in well. Now this color was really cute as I was like mixing it in, but I'm like, I need something else. So then I go in with a Kat Von D lipstick, and you're gonna see it's the blue one. I think that was called Echo. And I was like, this blue might bring it all together, sis. So I took that blue and I only added it to the corners. That's it. And then I just smacked my lips together and I got my lips. It's lit. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.